Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of Vijeo Designer Basic. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're gonna see is the audit trail that we have on the software. It's a feature that basically tracks some of the operation that the operator does on the HMI. So let's have a look on the software. So the easiest way would be to start a project, new project, my audit. Here, define the HMI that we're going to use, Mx.x Audit, the old one, and HMI86, the new one. The one that has 00 over there is the one with Ethernet. Next, and here we can add enable audit trails. So finish or next, finish, and then the system will add directly these things over here. So what we need to do is to place this over here and show the groups for events. Okay. And it will add all the events here. So for example, if, let's see if I turn this on. Okay, there is no issues. So now imagine that you want to log in. I'm going to create a user. Resources, alarms and events. Just trying to remember all these things together. With the login, action forms, environments, security. Here I'm going to add a group, for example, Schneider, security, target security. Yes, level base, security number 10. I'm going to use another one for operator. That's number 5. And then going to use users OP for operator, for OP. Okay. And then I'm going to add another one for the SE. It's called LTA, and it's going to be added into the Schneider. I'm more working with the operator terminal expert. I didn't remember where this security was here in Vijeo. Okay, but I got this now. So panel, and then let's add, for example, a tool chart here. Oops. This, and move this around. So security, login. I'm going to put logout over there. I'm going to create a variable here. Yes, the var internal data log user operations on variables. So this is important to select on the variables, otherwise it would not be registered. So yes, and I'm going to create another one. De var no logs. So it's going to be no track, and I'm now going to select this log user operational variable. Then over here, I'm going to add this user, this variable, this one, and then Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V for the going to create a new panel just to see if it changed. Don't remember right now which are the conditions or all the things that it tracks, but so I can show you if we change this. Okay. Panel. Monitor, no. Visibility, disable, general. No, this is the panel I want. More security level. No. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do now is to track the logins and also the system and when the variable change, just to show you what happened. So now if we simulate this, so I'm going to use the other screen. Okay. Login. Logs. Okay, now let's go back again, because active, you just need the logs now. So I'm going to log in again. Okay. Enable input. Enable input. And then let's simulate again. Small screen. So LTA. LTA. So login, Schneider, the user should be there. So now here I'm going to change the number to 45. And I use the same variable, I believe. Yes, lovely. So let me just change this to double line. We can see the things much better now. And let's simulate again. Okay, so we have this, and then I'm going to simulate this once again. Okay, good. So you can see here the application has started. I'm going to log in. OTA, login. Okay, login target, logout target. Here I'm going to change the value 45, and I didn't change this once again. Here, double click. Then let's do this again. My bad, guys. So we track this because this one is called the system. Now if I select this to 46, change the I bar, which is the value to 46, 0 to 46, and if I change this one, it doesn't show because it doesn't have the track. So if I, how many things I haven't done correctly in this one? A lot. Just to show you that it changed. Great. So you have the history about what's going on. And if you are logged, you can see the user. This one is not tracked, but in that case, you can probably create an event. Okay. So you have another event here. Event group. Okay, you create the event and add the event over here. Okay. So settings and add the event group to add your predefined message. So if you go here, panel, event message, event group, text resource, which is display, text resource, no state. Yeah, no. Message 0. You can have a variable over here. So message 0 is going to be change panel 2, change panel 1. So if you go back here and double click, I didn't save it, give message, the resource, change panel 2, add, okay. And if you go here on this one, panel, event message, the resource, panel 1. Change to panel 2 from panel 1. Change to panel 1 from panel 2. Something like that. I don't remember if we can have this empty, so I'm going to put this like that. And the best thing is to add over here, if you're using the tracking, to add another column for the username. Add. Okay. Columns. So this one state. Username. Probably the state is not needed, but okay. So now I simulate this. I should be able to have something more clear about what's going on. So here, LTA, login. You can see username LTA. Here I'm going to change for this one to 1, 45, and 48. So here I can log out. I'm going to access with OP. Login, you can see this one, and these ones have changed the value. I can also change to panel and then go back. So you should add this to the list, unless I have done something wrong. Yeah, here in the events, I should have this over here. So let's go back again to close this, open it again. So if I go here and then go back, you can see a change from this panel. So it's important to have this event already created. If it's not created because you don't know this part, okay, you can start a new project file. It's important to add these two system errors and system event. So file, new project, next. I'm now going to select this part, finish. No, project 2. You can see here they have only alarms, but you have the possibility to add system error groups, system event groups, and create your own event group. And here we just need to add alarm and event category. And this is what I'm going to use. Add. And here, audit. Audit trail. Copy. And you have all these together over here, just one place. So if we open the other one, it's going to be exactly the same. So if we use this once again, alarm group, we just need to select the audit, the group that we have created, double line columns. I'm going to use the username, add username over here. Okay, so we can add the login, we can add the logout. I'm showing you this because probably you start a project and you want to add this feature, then you can have it this way. Variables, var, just need to select log user operations and variables, environment security, enable security, yes. So I'm going to select admins level 10. I'm going to add myself over here, LTA, 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 and assign these to the admins. Panel, and let's add the variable. Di bar, enable, okay. And then you can select, I don't know, this switch to say event message, great, yes. So, hello there, I touch this button, I touch this, and just to generate this. So, okay, now I'm going to close this, panel 1, and add onto this one. Okay, apply. Okay, and I believe active, I'm going to use log double, and I believe I got it right, so finger crossed. Okay, it's a start application. Once again, I'm going to log in, LTA, LTA, login, log out, login again. Okay, I'm going to change this to 4. I'm going to change this to 78. And I'm going to touch this. Oh, hello there. I touched this. I show you who has done it. If I log out, there is no username. So this is how you can use this audit trail. Okay, it's just another feature just to understand which are all the procedures that someone has done on the HMI, and you can see it's just one click on the side and then one click on the variable that you want. And if you want to have your own method of tracking, you can create event messages and select which one is the one you need to use. So this is the feature, the audit trail that you have on the Vijeo Designer, and also on the Vijeo Designer Basic. That is the one that I showed you just now. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.